Solar asset owners are confronted with numerous challenges. They need to manage multiple projects simultaneously, often within stringent budgets and timelines. Additionally, they grapple with the task of securing a suitable operations and maintenance partner, which is crucial for maintaining cost effectiveness while ensuring safety, scalability, and high availability. That's why forward-thinking companies have turned to Cleanleaf Energy. Cleanleaf has developed a reputation for trust, transparency, accountability, and unparalleled expertise, and their technology platform guarantees a safe and fast response and resolution. Every day, over 1,000 solar installations maintained by Cleanleaf start generating power at 1.8 gigawatts at their peak. Cleanleaf's NERC-compliant remote operations center monitors their performance 7/24/365. To learn more about Cleanleaf and what we offer, please visit our website.